Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to find the sum of this given series that involves these radical expressions, as you can see over here. And here's our problem. The first expression is 1 divided by square root of 1 plus square root of 2, and it goes all the way to 1 divided by square root of 8 plus square root of 9. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And before we go any further, we know that the square root of 1 is simply 1, square root of 4 is 2, likewise this square root of 9 is 3. However, we are not going to simplify them at this point. We're going to do it a little bit later. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this very first term. And here I have copied it down. And now we are going to simplify this thing by rationalizing its denominator, this part, by multiplying and dividing by its conjugate, that is going to be square root of 1 minus square root of 2. We just simply switch this sign to negative. So let's go ahead and multiply and divide by square root of 1 minus square root of 2 divided by square root of 1 minus square root of 2. Let's go ahead and multiply this one, the numerator, together. Likewise, we're gonna multiply the denominators as well. So when we multiply numerators, we're gonna get 1 times square root of 1 is gonna be this one minus square root of 2 divided by, we are going to use this identity a plus b times a minus b at the denominator. So denominator is going to become square root of 1 whole square minus square root of 2 whole square. And here in this next step, this is going to become simply 1 minus square root of 2 and then whole square, and it's going to give us 2. And we ended up with a negative 1 at the denominator. Now we can see this very first expression has been simplified to negative times square root of 1 plus square root of 2. And here I have copied it down. And now let's focus on this next expression. And here I have copied it down. Now let's go ahead and rationalize its denominator by multiplying and dividing by its conjugate, that is going to be square root of 2 minus square root of 3 divided by, likewise, square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Now let's go ahead and multiply the numerators and the denominators at the same time. And if we simplify everything, say this whole, our second terms simplified to negative square root of 2 plus square root of 3, as you can see over here. And now if we look at the pattern, when we rationalize this denominator, this simply becomes this with a negative sign. Likewise, this very first term, this simply becomes with the negative sign. Now if we focus on this next term over here, we can see that we can write this one. We can rationalize it by simply putting the negative square root of 3 over here. And likewise, let's focus on this next term, and we can see we can rationalize this one by just putting this square root of 7 as negative times square root of 7. And likewise for this last term, as you can see over here. Now in this next step, I am going to replace this very first term by this part, the simplified one. Likewise, this second term by this simplified form on the right hand side, and so on. So therefore, I have replaced this first term by this simplified form. Likewise, second with this one, this one, this one, and likewise this one. And in this next step, I have removed these parentheses and simplified this thing. And now we can see this positive square root 2 and this negative square root of 2. They are gone. Likewise, this positive square root of 3, negative square root of 3, they are cancelled as well. Likewise, this positive square root of 4 is going to cancel with the next one, and likewise this is going to cancel with this one, and this is going to cancel with this one. So we are simply left with this negative square root of 1, and at the end we are left with this square root of 9. So everything collapses except this one. Now we can see that the square root of 1 is 1, so it's going to be negative 1 plus square root of 9 is 3. When we simplify this thing, that is going to give us just simply positive 2. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.